Should we change up our approach? There's a lot of stabulation going on over there. But I wouldn't mind trying for something that's not Christmas, you know? There's a Brewer's like alien thing in there though. Look at the drift though on this thing. It like drifts back. I stabbed the same leg again. I feel like if I didn't stab it, it would probably get it. It's like it's in a good position, you know? Close. Oh, it might be too heavy. See, when they lay them right on top of each other like that, though, they're really hard to get. Oh, I stabbed the hammer. Oh, I got around it. Close. By the legs. That was pretty good, huh? Oh, I uncovered some. Through the heart, just rip it out of there. Ripped out by the heart.
Yeah.
I mean, these Betty Boops are really cool too.
They gotta uncover one first.
If I could knock one down, you know, like, it won't go back far enough to knock it down. Come on. Stab the leg again. Oh yeah, should show up. Generic Christmas toy shop guy. Ooh, it's really gross up there. Alright. Maybe that.
Not bear, that angel.
This might be my last dollar. If I don't get a good pull, I'm just gonna walk away from it. Come on, buy the booty. Get in there. Alright. Now maybe this angel. Oh, I worked her out though. We're just getting rid of all the junk plush so people can come in and get all the good Valentine's Day plush. Alright, same thing's true. If I don't get a good pull for $1, I'm leaving.
And Santa's in the way now too.
But he's not on top of her. Oh, stabulation. Oh, you loosened her up. I like that. You might be able to just drag her in there. Now you got a nice open body shot, yeah.
How's that look?
That looks pretty good. Beat that spin. Oh yeah, you got her. You got her. Nice grab. Oh no!
You said it.
I know, I jinxed you. Now you gotta get her. By the booty?
Oh no, it's a different one.
It stayed in.
But it stayed in.
Wow. Okay. That's a cute one though. We don't have that one.
No.
That Tweety Bird's gettable all day long now.
Holiday Series 2. There must be 2 sets of holiday ones.
Come on, that should get it. That should have it. Oh!
It's pretty odd shape for that this claw though,
Yeah,
isn't it?
classic bulbous shape. I'm not going to put any more money in this claw though because it's glitching out.
Right.
We'll try the other ones.
Can you get far enough to rake Sticky Stewie in the back? No, I don't think it's
Oh.
just fun.
Yeah. These are worth some money though, these Tweety Birds. Even though they're generic. Come on,
They are
close.
generic?
Yeah.
Why? They say Looney Tunes on the thing.
Oh, it isn't generic. Okay. There's definitely some gettables. If this claw was like not kind of goofing. I can't just leave that Tweety though. That's just sitting there. Come on, clamp. Is it like too head heavy?
Yeah, exactly. It's like when you grab it by the body, it's just...
There's not enough to grab on though. That stinks. I wish I would have got him for you. I could probably get him.
That's right.
It's not the right one anyway, right?
Well, it is the right one, but I think he's defective.
Oh, you know why they cut it off?
Why?
Because it said hung, not hugs on it. I sent you that picture.
You didn't send a picture of it. I didn't know what you were talking about.
Yeah, it actually said hung.
All of them did?
Yeah, so they had the operators cutting off the words.
Oh.
Alright, let's go check the other one. Working?
Go straight.
Oh, straight in, you mean?
Right now.
I want to try to put it in as far as I can. Like this, yeah, like that. Oh, it's all over
There
now.
you go.
Just drop it. Get that loop.
Drag it in.
Yeah. Get in your hole. Oh no. Oh, thank goodness. I thought it wasn't gonna. Yeah. All right. Packers guy. Might as well get this other one too.
It's not gonna be as easy as the other one.
No, it really isn't.
It was a walk among the tombstones. That's what you wanted to
Oh, I do want to see that. Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, I loosened it up. You want to try to get it?
yeah. Can I get something
Yeah.
else?
Oh yeah, you get whatever you want. Oh, you don't want the generic Packers guy? Hold on.
I'll save that for you.
Well, thanks. I'm trying to follow claw law number 1. You're gonna go for this guy, aren't you?
Yeah.
By the booty.
Yeah.
Here, I'll hold on to your plush.
You get a flush.
Oh, yeah. That other Packer guy is probably gettable too because he's stacked so high. I think go for his head.
Or that.
You could do that too, yeah.
Alright, go for his head.
You can't get him by the legs because that's how I got him. I hung him, you know, like. Get around him.
Oh
No, it might be okay. Oh boy, didn't close so late. It's strange to see like a Bart Simpson in here though.
no. Yeah, you got. Didn't you get one of the Homer?
The only Homer
the
I've ever
last one?
seen, yeah. We could probably get that giraffe if you really want him, like from the other machine. Oh, come on. Ooh, that's no, probably not. Maybe by the tag.
I don't think I can do it.
You can do it.
I suck at this game.
No, that's not
Could you
true.
get this duck? Ugly duck?
Maybe, yeah. Just you're allowed to break claw law number 1
I am
because you're
going
cute.
to.
No way. Come on, hold on.
Duck.
Oh, nice job.
Ah.
What'd you get? There, you finally got him.
I don't think this is the one, but one of them you
They
said.
cut it off. Yeah, it used to say hugs or hung.
Hugs.
Yeah. I
I
thought
like that.
I thought that was gonna get it, didn't you? Come on, that should have him. There we go. Whoa, 2 and 1. That was totally unexpected. 2 and 1 too. Yeah, that was good. Now what?
Look at this. All of our ones.
We've got a bunch of those too. Should we try? What should I try for now? This Godfather horse head. I've seen people get it, but Yeah.
Maybe that red thing.
Do I have him or no?
I don't think so. These are all of them.
I have.
We have this one.
We have that guy, remember? I want him on the same day. This guy's in here. He's right there. I don't know what's going to happen here, but maybe I can knock him over.
What about the purple one? I like that. What about that purple dog by the head?
Purple dog by the head. Oh, I see, yeah. He's kind of buried in there. I'm going to try to, like, knock him, push him forward by, like, dropping it behind. Come on, close. Oh, I can get him by the arm, I think.
Yeah, get him by the arm.
Okay. Running low on quarters, but we're not gonna go to pick and save tonight anyway, are we?
Pick and save.
Yeah.
Are we going to pick and save?
No, we weren't planning on it.
I didn't know that we were talking about that.
Yeah, we're not. Now I think I can get this guy. Oh, bad spin. Oh, I forced him down at least. Oh, I picked him right back up too. Should we try to get this red guy?
He's pretty heavy though. Might have to get him by the butt. Towards the butt.
Low?
I think. Yeah.
But I'm gonna stab that monkey.
Okay.
Well, let's try. Let's see what happens. Oh, last second stab. Ooh, I got him.
How's that?
How is that?
How does that make you feel?
Like pretty good, actually. Now I really got to get that orange guy. Oh, I got around him. Oh, I think he's too matched down. Never gonna get him. Something's
A
on.
little bit towards you, a little bit more.
This is the last play I have. Oh no. I broke it. It took all 3 quarters and gave me no play.
Broke it.
Wait a minute. I dug it out.
Back?
Yeah, I dug him out. Because this thing is like... Wait a minute. This thing is like...
Is there more quarters in there?
I can't tell, but it feels like it. Check your coin returns. If I could get in there, like... There we go.
Yeah.
That's all of them.
3?
Yeah, I got 3 out of there though.
Okay, which is what you put in. So
Yeah.
you don't get anything back. Put in the other one. Yeah.
It's not lit up though. That's the weird thing. Oh, this one's jammed too. And see, here's one. Oh no. I think it's jammed. I won't. I feel them right here. They're jammed in there. I can see one. I can see one right there.
There. In the corner shirt.
Yeah. She's still out here. Oh, she's inside now. Look out. It's wrecked again.
Just that side. That's it. But I'm
Did pick it up pretty good though, didn't it?
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Not again.
I think it's fixed. I think that nickel that was in there came out.
No. Come on. What is up with it? It's Canada. Canadian quarter. That's what jammed it up. There we go.
Stinking kids. Always wrecking stuff.
Come on, clamp on that thing. I don't think I'm ever going to get it in that position.
No.
I had a good chance at it though in the other one.
Did you get some out of here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I seen you like a bunch out. The light went out, huh?
Yeah.
Too funny.
Yeah, me too. I can't see anything.
I wonder why that is.
Come on, close. I got it!
Did you get that tape?
Yes! This isn't expensive. This is like,
Yeah.
yeah, horse head. In the dark. Alright, well, that's why you fix your claw machines, folks. What's up, guys? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, we've got all sorts of other kinds of videos from how claws work with our claw science series, out in the public playing fixed strength machines with fixed strength grabs, as well as us rocking some payout machines like Keymaster. We love to hate them, but we still play them for you. If you're new to the channel, take a second to crush that subscribe button now so you get notified the very second we upload new claw videos. Thanks again. We'll talk to you again real soon.